guys, today I'll show you how to make a simple French twist for cabin crew. First, prepare for 3 items, which is French twist pins, spray and comb. Some people use a bobby pin, but I prefer large U-pins for French twist, which I bought in Japan. This really holds well. Sweeping on your hair using comb to the back and gathering your hair like a ponytails. This is my way of turning like this because I have a lot of hairs. I'm usually applying a spray back of my neck. Otherwise, my baby hair coming out later. Now starting to twist from bottom to the top. Make sure it's tight enough while twisting your hair up. And wrapping the hair around your thumbs and secure with your hand to not make your hair messy. As you can see, bottom part got a volume. So, slowly pushing up hair to make a good balance. To adjust the shape, I comb my sides of the hairs. Once all the hair get to the top, now it's time to take your twist down. Simply tuck over your hair the twist like this. You can adjust later with pins, so don't worry much about this part. And first using a securing with large U-pins. Make sure insert pins into the hair curling through the twist. Gently tucking hair into the twist as you go. Remember the other hand can hold and secure it. I normally use 3 to 5 pins to secure the twist. Use the comb to minimize the volumes on the top and neaten the style. After making a good shape, applying a hairspray the entire hair so that you don't have to worry about throughout the flight. Again, adjust a bit. This is the final look. Now good to go. How was my tutorial of the French twist? If you have any comments or requests, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for your support. See you on board. Bye.